up, everybody? The work never ends. Now it's time for me to play catch up at home. If you guys want to learn how to do post holes, put up a fence, I'll teach you how to do it. I got my assistant. I found him underneath the rock. Mario's here. Yeah. Say hi to Mario.
That's it, guy.
So thank God I got some help because it's a two-person manhole digger. Can't do it by myself. I tried. I had a couple tree branches fall down, broke my little paddock back here. So I spent a small fortune on some pressure-treated lumber and some concrete. So we'll get to it. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Rock in there. We hit a rock. We gotta get our little digger. Just let it keep going. Oh, we got it going. We got our little attitude adjuster, we call it. And we got a bigger attitude adjuster. So we'll get this rock out. One, two, three. Oh. Pick her right up, ready? Okay, we got it. We got it going. What do we got down there? I don't know what we got. I got it. I'll get that little clam digger. Grab that clam hole digger. Over there. You're good on that end. What's up, everybody?
We got water.
Yeah, we got some water. So we're making progress. We're getting it done. We should go down about 36 inches. Maybe a little bit deeper, but I'm just doing what I can for right now, so I'm probably going out about 30 inches, which is plenty. But an estate sale for $100. Best investment I ever picked up. Made some money with it. It always works. The only thing is, if you don't have a helper,
Oh yeah,
you're stranded. You can't do it by yourself. We'll see what we got going on. Oh yeah. On there. Give her a pause. A little down button. Okay, we're back at it. We dug her out. Good thing we got it unstuck.
Oh, Bella.
I'm not she's got to move on there.
Rumpy.
We got it unstuck. I'm not going any deeper. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. I just want to get everything working. So we got our post. Got a bag of concrete. One bag of concrete I put in each post. You can put a little more if you want, or a little less. It's all personal preference.
Oh, Jesus.
We lost our water on that one, so what you gonna do?
Get some.
Good old Mario.
Yeah, sorry. We do this all the time.
That's why he's under a rock.
Hit the pause button on it. We want to hear the music. Okay, we got it. We don't got our level with us, our post level. Like I said, I'm just getting it up and going. I'm not making it pretty, so got our bag of concrete. I'm gonna set it in there. For one of the posts, I'll use fast setting concrete on the corner. That'll help hold it more quickly, securely. So we're just going at it. Got a little poker. Got a little poker that I poked the concrete with just to try to get the drop down. Some water, but yeah, that's what we got going on today. We got post hole assignments, so hopefully post hole duty. I got 1, 2, I got 3 more to go. So hopefully another hour, hour and a half. Once we got the first one done, we're on the second one now. It's not that bad now that we got our little system figured out. Got the post hole digger started. She didn't want to start it first. we got it going. So we're not gonna lose this battle. So everybody got any questions about post holes? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Be safe.